my friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramania, and once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. You may think that where I'm sitting, yes, I'm sitting in the between of the counter. The counter, if I talk about the segment which is daily wear sarees, everywhere daily wear section, I can see the varieties of collections from the printed Poonam saree, only from the varieties, the latest collections and the varieties of the season collections, I can tell you. So today also I'm going to show you the unique, different and fast moving product for the daily wear printed saree. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, resellers, dealers, wholesalers, and the domestic. If I talk about the pan India, you have a COD options of 20 to 25,000. You can mix purchase, you can particularly purchase from the daily wear counter or the designer saree section or from the cotton section. Yeah, everything you can purchase. So as I told you, today I brought for you the latest collections. I brought Brasso printed saree, which is a fast moving the entirely south, especially if I talk about Tamil Nadu. So these collections are friendly budget, only low range. What is a low range? 300 rupees. To know the actual prices, please take a screenshot and call our numbers which is running on the screen. These type of varieties, you have an elegant and classy look of Brasso printed saree. This is the Brasso printed. You can see the colorful saree which goes with the bold border. The Brasso is having a unique identify of this borders. When we look at the saree, it itself shows that this is a Brasso printed with a parrot green combination. If I talk about the next saree, which is tomato red with wine maroon, which goes with the dark Rama green or bottle green, which combinations. This is the pattern. So this is also one of the beautiful saree. So you have a peacock print with a lovely bird printed with a flower printed, and this is the pallu. This type of sarees are very pretty and very unique. One tone, one shade and one color saree. If I talk about from top to bottom, this saree gives the same look. Entire saree is having a same look of saree. So I just want to show you, this is the pattern. So one tone, one shade, one color. And if I talk about the next color, very pretty color, which goes with the gray color with the kesar color combination. This is also lovely print. Every saree is having a Brasso printed variety. This is the pattern. This comes like this. So when you want the fast moving collections, you have to understand your customer's choice and fast moving and the friendly budget and even the color charts also. Very important for the customers. And when you are doing a clothing business or saree business, to understand the market value and the people taste and the product value, it takes some time. You should have some patience, but you should put efforts, I can say, my friends. So analyze the market, because the market keep trending, the fashion gets keep on changing and trending. So this color, when I talk about the cream color with the Paithani border, nowadays the Paithani border is also coming in daily wear sarees also. And this saree which comes from the Maharashtrian, and from Maharashtra, it become very famous from the silk segment, from the rapier silk segment. Now the border is highlighted in the daily wear saree. So this is cream with lemon yellow with tomato red. You have this saree also. Why today I brought for you the lightweight Brasso printed and low range saree? Always you should understand what product our customers are liking, why they are choosing this type of sarees. Budget value and quality value also you should see in the market and the business. So my friends, that's why I brought for you the Brasso printed, one of the fastest moving product in Tamil Nadu, and even in the Andhra, Telangana also they like these kind of sarees. So you should understand, then you purchase. When you are investing 1 lakh, example I'm giving you, keep 70 to 80% fast moving, daily moving products like daily regular we use in skirts, petticoats, and every needs the innerwears and the nighties and daily printed saree. 20% you keep fancy and functional. You will understand your customers' expectation and requirement. So hope you enjoyed these kind of Brasso printed saree. So quickly place an order. To know more updates and season updates, the regular product update, subscribe the channel and follow. And I request everyone, my friends who are watching me and following me, please follow, subscribe and share the Rani Talks Tamil YouTube, Instagram, Tamil and Telugu page. So I'm sharing with you regularly new products and helpful information. Please support and guide and share the link with everyone. Next video will meet with new more collections and latest updates. So let me know in the comments which city you're watching the video and which color of saree you liked also. So until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.